Meaning of grill.
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 Grill. The word grill has multiple meanings depending on the context. As a noun, it refers to a device used for cooking food over an open flame or electric heat source. As a verb, it can mean to cook something on a grill. However, grill can also have non-culinary connotations such as a type of jewelry or a method of questioning someone intently. In total, grill is a versatile and multifaceted word that can refer to various objects, actions, and concepts depending on the situation in which it is used.